Hey there! Today, we're going to learn how to play Punto. It's a super fast but surprisingly strategic card game where you're always trying to go point over point to claim victory. Let's dive in and see how it's done.
In just the next few minutes, you'll learn absolutely everything you need to start playing Punto right away. We're going to cover the objective, the setup, and, of course, how you win. So let's kick things off with the goal of the game.
The main objective in Punto is beautifully simple. You just need to be the first player to get a continuous line of your own colored cards.
Now, how long that line needs to be changes depending on how many people are playing. If it's a two-player game, you're trying to get 5 of your cards in a row. But with 3 or 4 players, you only need to get 4 in a row to win the round.
Okay, now that you know what you're trying to do, let's get the game set up. It's super quick. First up, you've got to divide the cards. For a 2-player game, each person takes all the cards of 2 colors. For 4 players, it's even easier. Everyone just takes 1 color each. Now the 3-player setup is a little bit unique. Each player gets 1 full-color set plus 6 random cards from the 4th, neutral color.
Once you have your cards, just give them a really good shuffle and place them in a neat face-down pile in front of you. That's your own personal draw deck. And believe it or not, that's the entire setup.
So, let's get right into the gameplay. The youngest player always goes first. They start by drawing the top card from their deck and placing it right in the center of the table. This card starts the whole grid.
After that first card is down, every player's turn is the same. You'll start by drawing the top card from your deck. And after you've had a look at your card, you have 2 possible actions you can take.
Your first option is to just place your card next to any existing card on the table, making sure it touches at least one edge or corner. Or you can place your card directly on top of another one. But here's the catch. To do that, your card's number must be higher than the one you're covering. For instance, a blue 5 can be placed right on top of a red 4. The color doesn't matter one bit here, only that the new card's number is higher. And this move? This is the key to blocking your opponents and totally disrupting their carefully laid plans.
Now, keep this one important restriction in mind. The whole play area can't ever get bigger than a 6x6 grid. This makes every space on the table more and more valuable as the game goes on.
So you're placing cards, blocking your opponents, and building out your own rows. But how does it all come to an end? Let's take a look at how you actually win.
The very moment a player successfully makes an unbroken line of their own colored cards, whether that's 4 or 5 depending on the player count, they immediately win the round. That's it. And remember, the line can be horizontal, vertical, or even diagonal.
After a round is won, a few things happen. First, the winner looks at their winning row and takes the card with the highest point value and removes it from the game for good. It's a great little balancing mechanic. Then, all the other cards are collected, returned to their owners, and everyone just reshuffles their deck to start the next round.
The first player to win 2 rounds wins the entire game. It's really that simple. Of course, you can always decide to play to more wins if you want a longer game.
But what happens if the grid gets locked up? Players run out of cards and nobody has been able to complete a line. Well, there's a special rule just for that situation.
If it gets to a point where no one can make a legal move, the round ends. To find a winner, you first count who has the most lines of 3 cards. If there's a tie, then the player whose line of 3 adds up to the lowest total value is the one who wins the round.
And that's everything. You now know all the rules. You're officially ready to shuffle your cards and play your very first game of Punto. So, the only question left is, how are you going to win? Will you build a straight, undeniable line to victory, or will you achieve it with a clever, sneaky cover-up? Enjoy the game.